wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I've done one of these videos because there hasn't really been much newness worth trying out. Even in this video right now, I don't have that many new things to try, but I've got something. So I'll be doing a trying new to me makeup video. So if you want to see what some of those new things are, then let's go. So the first thing I have is my girl, Temptalia's collab with Sydney Grace. I've never tried anything from that brand, so this will be the first time. If you do not know who she is an OG beauty blogger, influencer, okay, like I'm talking OG. She's more blogger and on Instagram as opposed to like, you know, YouTuber or stuff like that. But, you know, if you're ever looking for swatches or you know, this product compared to that product, stuff like that, literally go to the blog. I'm sure you'll find whatever product you're looking for. So she has collaborated with Sydney Grace. She was nice enough to send me the collab. I believe it's 3 different palettes that I'm holding here. They have different names, but it's something like that. It's like 3 different palettes where like the shades are supposed to differ. But let me just, you know, open them up and see what they are looking like. So this is the first one, called On the Horizon. Looks like this. Let me move a little plastic out of the way. Ooh, ow, ow, no, now I dug my finger into it. Listen, it's early, okay? This is the second one, the shimmers. Ciao. And then the third one. Look at that. Look at that. What is this called? Radiant Reflection. I think this is the one we'll be using today. So let's take this shade Unstoppable Love right here. Ooh, and a nice mirror. Y'all know mirrors matter. Okay, we judge mirrors. Over here it's got a nice mirror in the palette, and I'm just gonna put this right up here. And then this shade Gloss Over will be my lid, well, one of my lid shades. Y'all know it's the shimmers that count, so. Ooh, okay. Okay, Miss Ma'am, okay. Baby. Okay, so then I'm gonna use this shade Dearest Constant right next to that and blend that in right next to it. I was hoping it was a little more orange. It's giving like burnt orange, but that's okay. And finish the outside off with that same purple brown color. And just focus that out here. I realized one of the palettes had a black, so I used a little bit of that. Moving on, the next new thing I have is this primer. This is from Nars. It's their Soft Matte Primer. Mind you, I've been sitting on this for a minute, and even though I've wanted to try it, but I was like, no, I need to try it in this type of video. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to dab some on my face. How much do you get in this? Oh, you get 1 ounce. And then everything else that's not new, let's just, you know, fast forward a little bit. Okay, this was supposed to be new to me in this video, but I can't help myself, so I've already used it. But it's the Makeup Revolution Superfix Super Hold Misting Spray. I heard this is supposed to be like, you know, mask, transfer proof, all that stuff. Using this already, I can say, I don't know about transfer proof, but it definitely does help with not getting as much makeup in your mask if you do, you know, wear makeup under your mask. So just going to set this bad boy. I don't know what to make my bottom lash shade. There are so many options in here. I can do green, I can do purple, I can do pink, I can do yellow. I don't know. I mean, I'm wearing a yellow top. I don't know if I want all yellow though. I went with green. I want to do pink, but sometimes when you do pink as like the bottom lash color, it can start giving real like pink eye, so I didn't do that. But the last things that are, oh wait, no. So I have these lip products from Mented. They came out with, ooh, come on. I am a mess today, y'all. What is that? They have new lip glosses. So this is, what's the name? Oh, no, okay. So this is Unpinkable. That looks like this. Red Hot and Bothered. Okay. That looks like, ooh, that's a pretty color. And Loud and Clear, which looks like it's just a clear lip gloss. Now I also have this lip gloss, which Dre made me buy this. We were in Sephora and she was like, everyone says this is like the best gloss that you could have. It's from Lancome. It's their Juicy Tubes Original in 09 Hallucination. And that looks like this. I'm gonna have to use this one today. I do have this lip pencil from Mented, which I didn't know they had, or unless this is new. I didn't know they had a lip pencil. Is there a shade name or? Night lip pencil, I guess is what it's called. Ooh, okay. I don't think she's been lining my lips. Let's see. Yeah, no, not even like it would just blend into my lip color. It's giving even lighter than my lip color. So let me line my lips. And then so I can still use the Mented lip pencil, gonna do a little, you know, shading in with this color. And then I'm gonna use the Lancome as, you know, a topper. It smells really good. It's a really sweet smell. And the last new thing I have is from Rare Beauty. It's their new mascara. I'm only gonna put on my bottom lashes because I'm putting lashes on. But let's see if it actually makes me look like I have some lashes. So that is it for my face. My lashes ripped while I was putting them on, but guess who was not? Getting up to get a new one just to finish this video. So if it looks off, it looks off. But the rest of my face is giving very much so beat for today. Okay, so my thoughts on the new stuff that I tried. The eyeshadow palettes, because I used technically, you know, mainly one and then a couple colors from the other two. I'm here for the shimmers. Y'all know I love shimmers like that, especially since shimmers like that are very easy to create like your own kind of cut crease type look. So you see how, you know, it's a like more defined line, but I didn't have to use concealer and extra product stuff like that. So I love shimmers like that for that reason. The mattes, they blend easily, blend nicely, stuff like that, but I don't know, I feel like they're giving a little muted. a little bit. It might have been the colors that I chose. You know, they're blending into each other. The more burnt orangey, that purple-ish brown shade. Like the black did what it had to do, so it might have been the shades that I actually used. But I definitely like the shimmers more than I do the mattes in those palettes. What else did I try on my face? The primer. I like the primer. I like how everything is sitting on top of it. I definitely feel like the primer is giving, you know, like nice canvas to apply your makeup on. I don't know how, you know, it's actually going to wear throughout the day, so of course I'll keep you updated on how this primer works for me. What else did I try that's new? I didn't really try much. The setting powder, like I told you guys, I've already been using that. I like it. It's been the setting spray that I've been using consistently ever since I tried it. The lip products, I don't know about the Mented glosses. The lip liner, unfortunately, was too light for me to actually line my lips with it, but you know, I still used it on my lips. It's still a nice, am I in focus? It's still a nice color on the lips. I just can't use it as a lip liner. So, you know, if you're a lighter skin tone, that's for you to check out. And the gloss from Lancome, I don't know if it's giving like best gloss I've ever tried before, but it's definitely giving like a juicy lips gloss. But you know, I feel like beauty supply store gloss can do that, and it already looks like beauty supply store gloss. I don't know if I would spend that much. It's a tad bit stickier of a gloss, you know, compared to, I don't know, like e.l.f. ones, the ColourPop ones. I'm trying to think. It's Gloss Bomb's pretty sticky. I feel like it's a little stickier than Gloss Bomb, but it's still a nice gloss on. I just, you know, for the people who were out there saying it's like the best thing since sliced bread, I don't know about all that. And the mascara from Rare Beauty, like I said, it gave me something on my bottom lashes. I did feel like I had to do, you know, this a couple times to get there, but it did something. But y'all know I'm never really that phased when it comes to mascara. It just kind of is what it is to me. And that was the last thing that was new, right? Yeah. So that is it, y'all, for this video. Like I said, I know I don't have much newness to show you guys in this video, but for any of you who were thinking of checking any of this out, especially the collab, since I mean, it could just be me, like I don't know much about that brand. So, you know, if you were like want to get your feet wet because you wanted to support the collab but didn't really know about it, I hope like that at least helps. I feel like that's probably like the biggest thing that I talked about in this video, or the Rare, because I know I've seen people talking about that since it is like a recent launch, stuff like that. I hope it helps for any of you who were interested in any of these products, seeing it on my face and hearing some of my thoughts on them. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see, you know, new products, stuff like that. And yeah, that is it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.